Good morning, guys. It is day one of the Colorado trip. It's about 7:30. We ended up having to pack for literally every weather because it's supposed to snow today and then be warm by the end of the trip. So it's going to be fun. Hopefully we can beat this snowstorm and we're not driving in the snow for a long time. But I don't have much time to talk. We got to get out of here. So we made it to Colorado and to our cabin, and there has been quite the snowstorm. I'll show you the view in a moment, but I'm gonna go ahead and give you a house tour before I wrap this video up. So this is out the front door. You can see my husband. He's trying to shovel the snow. And it's just, there's a lot of snow. So this is one of the bedrooms. Nobody's using this one because it's like pretty small. And then we go into the living, dining room, kitchen, all of that. So they have like a little table here. Here's the view out on the patio that I don't think we're gonna be using this table anytime soon since we got so much snow. So this is the dining room table. You can see the fridge, there's a bar area here. Nice little fireplace and the couch, the world's tiniest television. But the kitchen is really nice. So we have the oven, the microwave, then a sink area, coffee machine, dishwasher. So there's a cute little bathroom. It has the cute little tub and a little sink. But as you can see, there's just not a whole lot of space here. So through this door is the garage, and we can't use it right now because there's just a bunch of stuff in there they're like remodeling. Let's go up the stairs. So we do have a little laundry room. So we have the washer, dryer, plenty of extra towels over here. And then this is Mark's room. It has the bunk beds, a twin size bed, and a closet. Then lastly, here is our bedroom. There's the big giant mirrored closets here. And out here is supposed to be a hot tub. There is a hot tub like right there. You can kind of see it, but I don't think we're gonna be using that anytime soon. And this is the master bathroom. So we have a sink here, there's a vanity here, toilet, really nice jacuzzi tub, and then the shower. So when we arrived, it was like 55 degrees in here because their central heat was not working. So we turned on the fireplace and they had a space heater. So we put that upstairs because that's where we were actually gonna sleep. And it took several hours, but we finally got it warm enough that we could like sleep. But we were so cold, we had to bring out like extra comforters. This was definitely not the trip that we had planned, but we're gonna make it work. And I know this was a short video, but I have a feeling we're gonna do a lot more the next day. So I'm gonna end this vlog here and I will see you tomorrow for day 2. It's very snowy.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill